What if I told you that tonight, right here in London, you have the chance to earn more reward than 83 years of non-stop worship? What if I told you that every bad decision you ever made, every relationship you destroyed, every prayer you missed, every sin you committed in secret, every single one of it could be erased completely before sunrise, not reduced by half, completely erased, gone? What if the answer to your broken marriage, your financial crisis, your anxiety, your loneliness, your guilt that keeps you awake at 3 a.m., what if the answer is not a therapist, not a loan, not a holiday, but one night that Allah Himself called better than 1,000 months, one night where the angels descend in numbers greater than the pebbles of this earth, one night that is hiding somewhere in these last 10 days and nobody knows exactly which one it is. And here you are in London, one of the most distracted, fast-moving, temptation-filled cities on the planet, and you chose to be here. You chose this. That choice alone already makes you special in the eyes of Allah. But stay with me, because what I am about to share will completely change how you spend the rest of these blessed nights. What if one single night could wipe away every sin you have ever committed, every lie, every betrayal, every moment of weakness, completely gone, as if it never happened? Laylatul Qadr is exactly that night. Allah describes it as better than 1,000 months, which means over 83 years of continuous worship. Most of us will not even live that long. Yet Allah, in His infinite mercy, compressed the reward of an entire lifetime into one single night. Missing it is not just unfortunate, it is a catastrophic loss that no human logic can justify. We sit here in London, a city that never stops moving, and we need to pause and truly understand what is being offered to us right now. What if the city you live in, with its noise, its nightlife, its distractions, is actually your greatest opportunity to earn more reward than someone worshipping in Makkah? London never sleeps. The clubs are open, the streets are lit, temptation is everywhere on these nights. Yet here you are, choosing the masjid over the madness. Allah sees that struggle. Every step you take toward worship, while surrounded by a culture pulling you the opposite direction, multiplies your reward in ways you cannot even imagine. Your environment makes your ibadah more powerful, not weaker. The very fact that you push through traffic, through tiredness, through the whispers of your own nafs to be here, Allah is already watching that with pride, with love, with mercy. What if Allah deliberately hid Laylatul Qadr from you, not to punish you, but to save you from your own laziness? Scholars explain that if Allah had said it is the 27th night, millions would worship only that one night and sleep through the rest. By hiding it within the last 10 nights, Allah forces you to stay consistent, stay hungry, stay desperate. And desperation in dua is exactly what Allah loves. The uncertainty is the mercy. The not knowing is the gift. London's believers who push through all 10 nights are practicing one of the most beautiful forms of trust in Allah. They are saying by their actions, Ya Allah, I do not know which night you chose, but I am showing up for all of them because you are worth every single one. What if your tearful dua made in a small flat in East London or a crowded masjid in Whitechapel carries the exact same weight as a dua made beside the Kaaba on Laylatul Qadr? Because it does. Allah has no postcode preference. He has no VIP address. The angels do not filter supplications by geography. On this night, the doors of heaven open equally for the mother crying in her bedroom in Brixton, the young man making wudu in a university bathroom in Camden, and the Imam standing in Medina. Your location is irrelevant. Your sincerity is everything. Do not ever let shaitan convince you that because you are in London and not in Makkah, your worship is somehow less valuable. That is one of his greatest lies, and too many people in this city have fallen for it. What if your children are watching right now? To see what you do on the most important night of the year, they are watching whether you turn off Netflix or keep it running. They are watching whether you drag yourself to Taraweeh or stay on the sofa. The generation being raised in London is growing up between two worlds, Islamic identity and Western pressure. What you model on Laylatul Qadr will be embedded in their memory forever. Parents who worship on this night are not just earning their own reward, they are writing the religious future of their children with every single rak'ah. Your child may not understand the Arabic of Surah Al-Qadr tonight, but they will never forget the image of their parent weeping in sujood. That image will protect them long after you are gone. What if one sentence, 11 Arabic words spoken with a broken heart on Laylatul Qadr could redirect the entire trajectory of your life? Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'u anni. You are asking the one who owns everything, controls everything, and can change everything to simply forgive you and start again. People have had marriages restored, diseases cured, debts dissolve, and hearts heal after this dua on this night. Not because of magic, but because Allah genuinely loves to forgive. He is Al-Afuun, the one who does not just forgive, but completely erases. He is Al-Kareem, the most generous. He is waiting for you to ask. The question is whether you will show up and actually ask Him, not distracted, not half-hearted, but fully present, fully broken, fully surrendered, saying, Ya Allah, I have nothing without you. Brothers and sisters, we are living in one of the most extraordinary moments a Muslim can experience. Laylatul Qadr in London, surrounded by one of the most diverse Muslim communities in the Western world, is not a coincidence. You were placed here, in this city, in this Ramadan, in this moment, by Allah who knows exactly what He is doing. These are the final nights. The finish line is visible. Do not slow down now. Do not let tiredness win. Do not let shaitan rob you of a reward that took Allah Himself an entire surah of the Quran to describe. Stand up tonight, pray tonight, cry tonight, make your dua tonight, ask for your family tonight, ask for your ummah tonight, ask for yourself tonight, unapologetically, desperately, hopefully. Because the creator of the universe, the one who formed you in the womb before you even had a name, is listening right now with open arms and infinite mercy. Do not waste this. You may never get another chance like it again.